Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a room tour. We are staying here at Cove in South Carolina. So we are in room, it's called the Pinnacle room. It has a king bed and Morphe bed. We got living room and kitchen. So I'll show you guys. So this is the entrance. Okay, that's the entrance door. Okay, let me put my key. So that's my TV. Some drawers you can use. And let's go up here. Here's Maya. Here's Maya. Oh, you wanna go? Okay, ready? 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 You can do it, Maya. Come on. Come on. Come on. Go. 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 Oh. Go, go. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Go. You can do it, Maya. Go.
Come on, Bubbles.
Go to daddy.
Come on, Bubbles. Take that leash off.
The leash is out already. She can get up.
Come on. Come on.
Mama.
Come on.
Oh, she can't. Okay. I'll help you, girl. Aww. Oh, sorry. There's a dirty socks. Alright, so this is the closet. So what's in the closet? There's what is the safety box? And then some hangers. So this is the king suite. Is that right, Hans? King suite. So that's the king bed. Sorry for the dirty socks. You have a dirty socks. So what you got at Athena? You like it?
Okay. Smell.
We got that in the Filipino restaurant here. So that's the first bedroom. This is the bedroom. There's only one bedroom. Okay, we'll go this way. And there's the kitchen. We got refrigerator. Okay, just a small refrigerator there. So we just got here, so we don't have one. So they have a microwave. There's the stove. Okay, stove. That's the kitchen. Ay, kasama purple mo eh. Up here, this is the living room. This is where Braden stays. So we got the ocean front. What you're eating though? Whopper. So this is the living room. Braden got his own TV. So that's the living room. Living room. This is the Morphe bed. You just pull out this. a pull out, it's a Morphe bed. Right there. So that's the Morphe bed there. You can just pull it out. And you have the kitchen, the tables and chairs, and you have more closet there. And here we go up. Maya's not there. I can't let Maya. So there's a door here, guys. So this is our front. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Ocean front. So cool. The beach, guys. And there's some, I don't know, down there. Oh, they have a pool. Or like the hot tub. So they have restaurants. There's a lot of pools. And they have another one down there. The same. This is the Compass Cove. They have like 3 buildings. There's another pool right there. So yeah, we'll explore some tomorrow. There's the moon. Oh my god, so beautiful. All right, Braden. So you like the place? So what? How many stars again? How many stars you give? You said 4. Okay, 4 stars. He's giving 4 stars, and I'm giving 5 stars. And
Why would you give 5 stars right away?
Honey is how many stars? Stop. 4.5. And Maya, how many?
0.
Lots of snippets.
Bed's
too
I love
tall.
you, girl.
The bed's too
Yeah.
So that's a -1 star.
I think during the winter time they allowed pets here until February. I don't know what month she said it starts. So yeah, so
It's
we get
February.
to bring my Maya bear. Right,
She looks like a
Maya?
bear.
Did you eat some food?
No.
Did you eat some food?
No.
Maya, you're a cutie. Alright. Alright guys, I'll see you in my next one. And don't forget to
The next one's gonna be in the morning. So
Don't forget to Huwag niyo kalimutan to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe,
and turn on
like,
duties and like.
turn on the notification if you get updated with our videos. So, alright, thank you again for your support, guys. Thank you so much for the unending support. Even I don't post very much of videos. So, okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow at the beach. Alright. Alright, bye guys. See ya. Bye.
1 star.